What if I told you that you can make viral YouTube shorts like these, just by clicking a button? I know what I would do. These channels are making thousands of dollars each month, and the truth is, it's really easy to do. And this process of making viral shorts can be made so easy and fast, all thanks to one free AI tool that nobody knows about. So be quick, before everybody knows this amazing trick. This tool can make viral videos while you are laying on the beach with a drink in your hand. Yes, it's actually this easy. You will be able to create viral videos in under a minute and without any effort at all. So without further ado, let's dive straight into the video. First, let's head over to this free AI tool called Opus Clip. You can find the link in the description, or you can simply search for Opus Clips. Once you're on their website, you will see a screen that looks like this. Here you will immediately see what Opus Clips does. It automatically takes out the best parts of a video, then it adds subtitles to the clip and even has the possibility to add emojis. Lastly, it can also resize the video. As you can see over here, a lot of big accounts make use of this. We can even look at some examples, and as you will see, these short videos look really good. If we look over here, we see the features of the AI tool in more detail. First, we have the AI curation feature that takes the best parts of a video. It analyzes your video to identify the most compelling hooks, extracts relevant juicy highlights from different parts of your video, and rearranges them into cohesive viral short videos. Secondly, there is the AI virality score, which tells how likely this video will go viral. The score is based on AI's analysis on thousands of viral videos. Next, we have the AI Copilot, which allows you to select a specific time frame to clip. You can also look for specific parts to clip based on keywords, giving you more control over what the end results should look like. Now let's illustrate this. If we scroll back to the top of the web page, we will see that the tools asks us to drop a link to a YouTube video. So the only thing that we have to do is to find a YouTube video of which we like to make short videos. Note that this tool works well for podcasts, educational videos, commentaries, product reviews, and motivational speeches. But it's not optimized for vlogs, gaming videos, or music videos. So while keeping this in mind, let's go to YouTube and look for a video that will fit your content. I found this video, which I really liked, and I want to make a YouTube short about it. If I had to do this manually, it would have cost me quite some time. So this is where Opus Clips will come into play. The first thing you need to do is copy the link and paste it in the tool. It is also possible to upload your own files, but for now we will stay with this link. Then the only thing left to do is to press the Get Free Clips button. This will do all the work for you. It is asking us to make a free account. All you have to do is enter your email address and press Continue. It will ask you to confirm your email address, and then you're all set. I'm going to press the login button as I already have an account. Once you're logged in, you will see this screen. In the upper right corner, you will see the amount of credits you have left. As you see, I still have 1 hour and 20 minutes left. This means I can still upload 1 hour and 20 minutes of footage this month. If you press the Add More Credits button, you see that you can pay for more credits, but you can also stay in the free package that will give you 60 free minutes each month. That said, let's look at how we can change our credits for great viral videos. We enter the link of the YouTube video over here and then see our desired video pop up. As you will see, this video will take around 13 minutes worth of credits. Furthermore, we can also adjust some settings. For example, we can adjust the amount of minutes we want to clip. This is extremely useful if you only want short parts from the video. For example, if we only want to clip the last 3 minutes, it will only take 3 credits instead of 13. So this way we can save some of our credits for other videos. Next, we can also adjust the preferred clip length. We can set it on auto, but we also can say, for example, we want clips between 30 and 60 seconds, or we can say, we want clips between 90 seconds and 3 minutes. Lastly, you can choose to add keywords like, for example, AI, as this will probably be a topic in this video. However, this is completely optional. So once you adjusted the settings to your likings, you can press Get Clips in one click. It is possible that the service is experiencing high demand. This means you probably are going to have to wait for some time. As you can see, my estimated waiting time will be around 20 minutes. The good part is that you can leave this page as they will send you an email notification when it's done. So I will see you in 20 minutes. And voila, the clips are ready. As you can see, Opus Clips created 10 shorts for us all with a pretty high score. The first one has even a score of 92. Now let's look at one of these videos. This is just amazing. If you agree, then please consider subscribing and leaving a like, as it will help my channel grow and will be up to date with these amazing way of making money online. Now, as you can see, we have 3 different options. We can instantly download the clips, one by one. We can automatically post the video to our desired platform, or we can edit the clip. Let's first look at edit. We can completely edit this clip and have full control about changing it. For example, if you want to let the clip start from here, you can just push set as start. However, I don't want this, so I'll remove it again. You can also press on design and you can really change everything to your likings. However, I like the current style of the video and thus will not go further into editing this clip. But, if you want me to make a more detailed tutorial about all the features and possibilities in Opus Clip, please ask me in the comment section. Let's go back. Now you are able to download all the different clips. And if it are clips about your own videos, you can directly upload them to YouTube. Note, however, that you can't just upload other people's videos like this. Always do your own research into what you can or can't upload on a platform. That said, press download, and as you will see, it takes a couple of seconds to download. This will give you the clip directly in MP4 format. If you liked this video, please consider subscribing and give a thumbs up, as it will make me more motivated to make more and better videos for you guys.